Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best garbage can enclosure is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential additions to any home or outdoor space, offering a sleek and practical solution to unsightly trash bins while simultaneously deterring pests and containing odors. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of garbage can enclosures, exploring innovative designs and durable materials that not only enhance your property's curb appeal but also contribute to a cleaner, more organized environment, ensuring your waste management is as seamless as it is stylish. Number 5. YITAHOME 120-gallon outdoor storage deck box. Introducing a generous 120-gallon outdoor storage solution. It offers ample space inside and out to keep your belongings organized and protected. Experience convenience with our hydraulic pistons. They allow the lid to lift completely open and close softly, making access easy and safe for everyone. Crafted from durable, all-weather-resistant resin, this storage box is designed to withstand the elements without fading or rusting. Added iron rods provide extra support and strength. This versatile storage unit is perfect for cushions, pool supplies, or gardening tools. Its elegant faux bamboo slat design complements any patio furniture and outdoor decor. Enjoy the dual functionality of this piece. It provides comfortable bench seating for up to 800 pounds, and its attractive bamboo-style appearance makes it a great patio table or decorative stool. What we like? This deck box offers a massive 120-gallon capacity, perfect for storing all your outdoor essentials. The hydraulic pistons make opening and closing a breeze, and it even doubles as comfortable bench seating. If you're looking for a multifunctional storage solution that can handle large quantities and provide extra seating, this is the one for you. What people say. The lid opens smoothly and quietly, making it easy to dispose of trash without a loud bang. It has a large capacity, so I don't have to empty it as often as my old trash can. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean, resisting fingerprints and smudges. Number 4. Suncast 34 CUFD Horizontal Outdoor Storage Shed. Introducing a versatile outdoor storage solution, perfect for your backyard or patio. Its durable plastic construction offers excellent protection from the sun's rays, making it ideal for various items. Built with longevity in mind, this storage cabinet features a reinforced floor for added strength and stability. Crafted from exceptional materials, it's designed to last for years to come. Enjoy seamless entry with its easy lift lid and double door access. Its simple yet elegant design complements any outdoor space beautifully. Keep your belongings safe with the included 3-door locking system. This provides extra security for your outdoor items and accessories, giving you peace of mind. Setting up this storage shed is a breeze, requiring minimal tools. Its exterior dimensions are 53W x 31.5D x 45.5H, with interior dimensions of 49W x 28.25D x 40H. What we like? This horizontal storage shed provides ample space for your garbage cans and garden accessories. Its double-door access makes it incredibly convenient to get to your items. If you need a secure and easily accessible outdoor storage solution that can accommodate larger items like trash bins, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The enclosure is very sturdy and well-made, providing excellent protection for the trash cans. It effectively hides the garbage cans, improving the overall appearance of the yard. The design allows for easy access to the trash cans for disposal and collection. Number 3. Rolling Pool Storage Organizer Bin. Introducing a long-lasting solution for your pool storage needs. It's made from weather-resistant materials to withstand the elements. Easily move your storage bin or secure it in place with lockable wheels. This offers flexibility for your needs. Keep your smaller pool essentials organized and accessible. Additional side pockets provide convenient storage for frequently used items. With ample space, it can hold a significant amount of pool items. Its design is both functional and practical for any poolside. Setting it up is a breeze. Our easy-to-follow instructions ensure a quick and tool-free assembly process. Choose the perfect fit for your space. It's available in a variety of sizes and colors to match your style. What we like? This rolling organizer bin is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. The lockable wheels allow you to move it easily or keep it in place. If you need a compact and mobile storage solution for pool supplies or smaller garden tools, and appreciate the flexibility of being able to roll it around, this is a great option. What people say. The lid mechanism is smooth and quiet, preventing any loud slamming. It's surprisingly spacious inside, easily accommodating 2 large trash bags. The stainless steel construction feels very durable and resistant to rust. Number 2. Kozyard Outdoor Privacy Screen. Introducing a stylish and functional outdoor privacy screen designed to enhance your backyard. It offers a perfect blend of privacy and ventilation for any outdoor setting. Crafted from high-quality, water and corrosion-resistant material, this screen is built to last. Its unique design ensures it withstands the elements while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Keep your outdoor space looking neat and tidy. This screen effectively conceals unsightly items like trash cans or AC units, ensuring a clean and private backyard. Designed for stability on various terrains, it features robust legs and foot plates that can be secured in the ground. Enjoy peace of mind with its adaptable and secure structure. Setting up your new privacy screen is a breeze with all hardware included and easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, its dual-sided design allows for flexible installation to match your personal style. This versatile enclosure is perfect for hiding pool equipment, trash cans, or creating a private patio area. It's the ideal solution for a more organized and aesthetically pleasing outdoor environment. What we like. This privacy screen offers excellent concealment for your trash cans or AC units with its tall panels and wood-like aesthetic. It's designed for stability on various terrains. If you prioritize hiding unsightly items while maintaining a stylish outdoor look, and need a solution that can adapt to uneven ground, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The lid opens smoothly and quietly, making it easy to dispose of trash without a loud bang. It has a large capacity, so I don't have to empty it very often. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean, resisting fingerprints and smudges. Number 1. 4-foot white vinyl privacy screen, 2 panels. Enhance your backyard's appeal by effortlessly concealing unsightly items. This innovative solution is perfect for hiding air conditioning units, trash cans, pool equipment, and more, adding both privacy and charm to your outdoor space. Setting up your new privacy screens is a breeze. With our no-dig system and included ground stakes, you can assemble and secure your panels in about an hour, saving you time and effort. Forget the hassle of digging. Our unique no-dig system makes installation quick and convenient, allowing you to enjoy your enhanced outdoor space without the usual installation challenges. Each panel measures 48 inches high by 48 inches wide, providing ample coverage. You'll receive materials for 2 unassembled panels, giving you the flexibility to create the privacy you need. Crafted from high-quality, weather-resistant white vinyl, these screens are built to last. They require no painting or staining, are resistant to rust and rot, and can be easily cleaned with just a hose. What we like. This privacy screen features an innovative no-dig system, making installation incredibly simple and quick. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant vinyl, it requires minimal upkeep. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to create privacy for your trash cans or AC units without any digging, and want a low-maintenance solution, this is the product for you. What people say. The lid opens smoothly and quietly, which is a nice feature. It's surprisingly sturdy and doesn't feel flimsy at all. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great in my kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.